So I have some amazing news. Now finally the safe mode for the Pocket Option Auto Trader is live. You can get this now on the Chrome store. Use the link that you find below the video. So I want to test out this new version today to see how we do on the live market. So I'm going to take 40 trades with this new update. I will use martingale as normal and let's see how we do. So, but before we get to that, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never lose an update video, because yes, I have many plans going forward with this robot. Also, when you get this robot, make sure you give me feedback, because every feedback makes so I can make this robot even better. I have a few that is already giving me feedback and I'm super grateful for that. So also make sure you like this video and comment below. And if you do like this robot, make sure you give me a good review when you download it, because this helped me also tremendously to grow this and use time on this robot, so it's more fun for me to do this. Okay? So without further ado, let's open and check how the trades did go. So we did 40 trades. I did take exactly 40 trades because that was a round nice number. I used martingale. I used this time just 2 in martingale, not 2.2, because I was expecting that would be much better the results. And as you can see, we did 40 trades, 28 wins and 12 losses. Okay, so you can see we made a sweet profit of $1,369. How amazing is that? And the good thing with this, I started this time with a $50 just for the bids. So I'll say this was an amazing test. So like I said, if you would like to have this binary option robot, just go over here right away, push this button up there, it will be in your own language, and you get it in your Chrome, and you can just open Pocket Option, and there you are. You will need to register with my affiliate link to activate the robot. This all is done automatically. There are a couple of people that have made deposit, and I see right away after. Okay, so if for some reason it's not automatically activated for you, just breathe, take it calm. I will see it in the admin panel after, and I will activate it within a few hours. Okay, so don't worry. Most of you get it automatically, but when you are if you are stressed and you see it's not working for you, don't worry. I go in the admin panel, I see your ID, I activate it for you. I did that for one today, so it's very easy. So don't worry. And if you have any questions below in the application, when you run this robot, you have a contact. Just go there and you contact me in Telegram, okay? Or you can just send me an email also, completely up to you. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.